Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for trusted, no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're talking about what is hands down the best Apple Watch Ultra 2 you can get right now. The Apple Watch Ultra 2, GPS plus cellular, 49mm, titanium case with blue ocean band, renewed edition. Let's dive into why this isn't just a great smartwatch, it's an absolute beast. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 comes with a 49mm titanium case that screams premium. It's not just about looks, though. Titanium means strength and lightness, something every outdoor enthusiast, athlete, or everyday power user will appreciate. This case is paired with a vibrant blue ocean band that's rugged, secure, and made to handle everything from dives to desert treks. It's stylish enough to wear to a meeting, but durable enough to take into the mountains. Now, what sets this apart from other Apple Watches is the display. You're looking at Apple's brightest display ever, up to 3000 nits of brightness. That means clear visibility under harsh sunlight, underwater, or on a snowy trail. It's a game changer if you're using the watch outdoors a lot. It's also got the all-new S9 chip. That's Apple's most powerful watch chip yet. It makes everything snappier, smoother, and more efficient. From quick app launches to seamless Siri responses, the Ultra 2 doesn't stutter. And that chip enables on-device Siri, meaning your voice commands work fast, even when you're off the grid. You'll get up to 36 hours on a single charge with regular use, and up to 72 hours in low power mode. That's nearly triple what most smartwatches offer, and it makes a massive difference when you're traveling, hiking, or just hate charging things every day. You're also getting built-in dual-frequency GPS, which makes this the most accurate location tracking Apple has ever offered. This thing is WR100 water-resistant and N13319 certified, a recognized standard for dive computers. It even supports Apple's Oceanic Plus app to turn the watch into a full-fledged dive computer. That's serious gear, not just a fitness gimmick. The cellular capability is a big deal too. You can take calls, reply to texts, stream music, and use maps without needing your phone nearby. If you're someone who likes to run light, say goodbye to stuffing your phone into your running shorts or bike jersey. It's professionally inspected, tested, and certified to look and work like new. You're getting Apple Watch Ultra 2 performance at a much more wallet-friendly price. It's for the adventurer, the athlete, the professional, or anyone who just wants the absolute best of what Apple can offer in a smartwatch. It's sleek, powerful, and built for extremes. To wrap this up, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 with the titanium case and blue ocean band, even in its renewed form, is simply unmatched. Rugged, reliable, and ready for anything, this is not just a smartwatch. It's your ultimate companion in the wild and in the everyday. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.